Text, Adara Godley Station. Overhead view shows light-colored apartment homes around a cul-de-sac surrounded by trees. The apartments have an outdoor pool patio. A woman jogs down a sidewalk. At the fenced-in dog park, she kneels next to a dog, and a man stands beside her. A man walking his dog approaches, and they all smile. The apartments have a clubhouse with many amenities. There is a lounge area with sitting areas including tables and chairs. The woman stands at the bar area and pours herself a drink from the bar tap. Across from the bar area, a pool table and shuffleboard table sit in the middle of the room, and a tic-tac-toe board hangs on one wall. Windows on the far wall let in natural light. There are other game tables throughout the room. A man plays pool while another man plays an arcade game. The clubhouse also has a gym with boxing bag, weights, and other exercise machines. A woman runs on a treadmill, then lifts weights. A man uses a rope machine. The two-story apartment homes have garages. The front door of the apartment opens to the living room. The open floor plan connects the main living and dining areas. The kitchen is fully appointed with modern appliances and is separated from the dining room by an attached island with chairs. The dining room has a table and two chairs next to a bench in front of a bay window. They sit on the couch in the living room. The bedroom off the living room has a ceiling fan, window, and walk-in closet. The bathroom has a sink, vanity, mirror, toilet, and shower/bath combination. The laundry room has a side-by-side washer and dryer and wire shelves. The outdoor amenities include a pond with fountain and pool patio with lounge chairs. The residents sit together by the pool on lounge chairs, then drink wine at the bar and grill food at the outdoor kitchen. She lounges on an outdoor patio couch and looks at her phone. They walk through a park with a fountain. The sun shines through thick trees. City scenes show historical landmarks and shopping districts. People ride bicycles near a lighthouse and swim in the ocean. More city scenes show the city of Savannah. Text, Adara Godley Station.